Hey guys, so right here this is a video I'm making showing the progress I'm making on the burn box. That's a couple of pictures. So I'm just gonna show a little bit of the stuff I have done. I still got a lot to do. So right there was some pictures of the burn box, and you can see it right there set up. And we got this out of half-inch angle. It's a 14 square box. It's gonna be the burn box. I still got to wrap it up with this expanded metal. And right there, those corners, the welds that I've made there, I'm gonna smoothen them out so they won't look so rough. I haven't done much flux welding, so it kind of gets messy. But once you grind it off, and the top and should be looking good, right there I grind it off so it looks smooth. Once I paint it, it'll look very nice, like one piece. So that's the cooking chamber right there. Still got a lot of work to do on it. I gotta cut a door in it. Right here on this side I will be putting the smokestack right there, and that's the welds. When I welded that cap right there, I grind off the welds so it'll look smooth. That's a burn box from the back, so you got to put a back plate in it. And that's the frame. Is made out of 1-inch angle, 1/8 thick. So it's not too much to show right now. Still got a lot of work to do. It's a lot more work than what I thought, and I'm making some progress. I don't have much time